When I go out to photograph, I really go out to photograph. I have to be totally concentrated. I chose the title because of these two important terms, color, which is a new part of my work, and the idea of chance. Chance is one of the most fundamental and fascinating aspects of photography. I really felt like maybe I should give it a try. Still, color can't be enough. As Kandinsky wrote, colors are the keys of the keyboard, the eyes are the hammers, and the soul is the piano with many chords. I really believe that images have to be inspired from within.